Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video on Reviewing to Huck's World. Today we got a nice trial watch face for you all to check out that I think is worthy of a look. All right, you all, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's check out this watch face. Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video on Reviewing to Huck's World. Today I got a nice watch face for you all to check out. It's not free for the taking. This is a trial run that you could test out to see if you like this watch face. This is the multi-edition of this particular elegant watch face. Now, the name of it is called Elegant Sport Space Edition. Now, I like the theme, I like the look, I like the way this watch face definitely stands out with the design. In the AOD mode, you're pretty much gonna get the same look, and you're going to be able to see your digital time at a glance with no problem. Now, once the watch face is on, I do like the analog hands. I do like the fact that you get digital as well, which means you get the best of both worlds, and you got a nice second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch. But if you take a look closely in the background, you get kind of an orbit look, a space look, which looks awesome, very subtle, should not burn down your battery at all. Now, I do like the look of the digital time as well. It's stacked. You get an AM stamp. You're going to get the day of the week as well. Down at the bottom, I believe this is my battery percentage, and the watch is customizable as well. So if I tap here, here's my step information for those of you all who like keeping up with your step status. And if I want to customize the color theme of the watch face, I tap on the time, and I could change the color theme of this watch face to many different colors. I thought this was definitely a good look for a trial run watch face. I think it's going to cost you anywhere between $1.22 and $1.78 if I'm not mistaken. But if I double tap here, I can change the color of the second hand that's cruising around the bezel of the watch as well. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Is this a buy or leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.